Canon First Cut Premiere.
It's a time to connect with some of our internet heroes. Every filmmaker has a moment that changes everything.
And tonight, we're watching those moments unfold. Huge thanks to Canon for creating an opportunity that invests in creators before the breakthrough.
This experience is very special for all of us creators.
It was a really cool thing to be a part of, and seeing people put themselves out there.
This was a short window to create something wholly original, and I was truly blown away with what everyone brought together.
Tonight, we are celebrating a few standout projects who will go home with $25,000 and one one-on-one mentorship with one of these guys.
Congratulations to Zara Hussein for static interference.
Guys, I want to thank the Canon team for making this happen. I think I really just told myself I want to make something, and this had so much incentive behind it, and I rarely ever do things for myself. So thank you.
Our next winner, we are very proud to congratulate Braxton Haugen.
World of Braxton Haugen.
Thanks so much for Canon for putting this on. I appreciate the recognition. Look forward to living up to this and sharing it all with you. Thank you very much.
The next winner is Josiah for Focus Dad.
Guys, we're always looking for ways to stay inspired to create, and nights like this do exactly that. Jazzy Holly, end of the line, everybody, come on!
I'm really grateful for the judges. I'm really grateful for everyone in the room. I loved seeing your projects. You all are very, very talented. I'm very inspired by you.